So this is the second video, so I'm gonna run debug on Lab5. I'm gonna launch on GDB. So right here. Okay. So now let's see. So now I'm gonna press resume. So it's at the first breakpoint, and the value of the count is equal to this. It's a random value. It hasn't been affected yet. So yes, that's the first breakpoint. I'm reading the document as I'm doing this as well. So now I'm gonna step over this breakpoint. Okay. Now that I stepped over, the count has turned into 0 because that's what this breakpoint does. It basically sets the count to 0. So I'm gonna cancel it. So now I'm gonna press resume as well again on the execution. Now it's gonna stop at the next breakpoint right here. So now that it's at the next breakpoint, okay, we're gonna check the value of the deep check first. Okay. So this is a random value right here, initial, doesn't matter. So we're gonna set the deep switch to B, which is 11. So I'm gonna reset this one to 0. Now this is B, if you can see. So now that we have done that, we're gonna step over line 41. So boom, now we step over line 41. So now, as you can tell, the deep check previous value is now 11. Okay, so we're gonna enter the address to load the register. So here. So now that's done. I'm gonna cancel the breakpoints. So now I'm gonna resume again the execution. So now it's gonna stop at the next breakpoint, line 71. Okay. So now this is the count. It's still equal to 0 because the breakpoint hasn't taken effect yet. So now I'm gonna change to a value that's gonna turn on the 2 LEDs. So that's done. This is to turn on the 2 LEDs. So I'm gonna step over this line as well. So press step over and I cancel line. So now there are 2 more breakpoints active. So I'm gonna terminate the session by clicking on this. Okay. So now I'm gonna run. The debug again. And click resume. Okay. So now it's here. As you can tell, the 2 breakpoints, they cannot be hit, and the 2 LEDs are on.